This is an instruction line. Each one of the programs can have 1,000 instruction lines. The main program through each of the 9 subprograms each can have 1,000 instruction lines. This listing of instructions is for my subprogram 1, which is the first subprogram. The lines on the page right now are from line 0 to line 32. And over here it says the maximum line number is 402. We can move through these instructions by using these arrows at the bottom. We can move the instructions up slowly by clicking the inside of the arrow. To move them faster, we click the outside of the arrow. To go the other direction, we can click the inside of the arrow to move them down slowly, or the outside of the arrow to move them down quickly. You can also change the position by the position pole here. Right now you see the white box is at the very top because this is the top of the list of instructions. If I click the pole near the middle, you now see that these are instructions 182 to 219. If I click the very bottom of the pole, you'll see this last line here is line 402. The maximum line number is 402, so that's the end. I'm going to click it back to the beginning. On the top here, you see headings for the instruction lines. This one says it's the beginning of a green box. So if you click underneath that, that will be the first instruction in a green box. On the end here, it says the end of green. So to end a green box, you would click over here. This is called a green box. It's used to manipulate instruction lines. To get rid of the green box, you just say that the end of the green box is before the beginning, and then it'll go away. Here is heading Copy. If you click an instruction underneath that heading, it will come up here and you can change it, but if you replaced it, it would go over this yellow line. If you said below, it would go below the yellow line, and if you said above, it will go above the yellow line. I'm going to press quit. Now, underneath this heading of update, when you click on a line under that, that line will come up here to be changed, but it will also become the yellow line. Now, when you go over here and would click replace, it's going to go right back where it came from. However, you also could put it below the yellow line or above the yellow line. I'm just going to press quit. If you click on an instruction line under placement, that is to place the yellow line. If I click it here, it's there. Down here, I could put it back at the top again. And remember, the yellow line controls where new lines are going to be positioned. That's the end of this video.